Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the baby doll makeup effects with Higgsfield AI. And this is what I mean by the baby doll. Yeah, this kind of cosmetic effect with your picture. So all you have to do is go to this website higgsfield.ai and log into your account. Click on the soul section here, and if you do not know what Higgsfield AI is used for, you can actually create mind-blowing visual effects here and image effects here, all with the push of a button. So once you've clicked on the Higgsfield, click on the baby doll makeup, and it should take you to a page similar to this where you'd see various pictures or images created using these effects. You can go on to create them, or if you want to start from scratch, you can click on generate. Or if you see one that is actually the exact model you want to copy or recreate, you can just click on that, and you will see the recreate option here. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can actually just change the subject in the prompt to what you want, and you can also upload your personal character. It can be an AI character of your version of yourself, and it will help you recreate this in your own image or with your own image. So that's it. You can also change the aspect ratio and the resolution by clicking on this and this alternatively. Then each section will cost you 2 credits for the high and a credit for the basic. You are given 5 credits per day for generation for free by Higgsfield AI. So depending on the one you choose, you can generate between 2 to 5 images per day. So that's it guys. And once it's done generating, you can click on the download to actually download it to your system and use in your project. So that's it guys. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and we would appreciate a subscription from you. We will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.